it's not good morning, it's good afternoon. I've been up since a couple of hours now. I'm laying here, really lazy to get up, but I need to go get up because I'm meeting up with one of my friends and we're going out for lunch. And I'm actually gonna go, I wanna go make a cup of tea before I leave because, yeah, last night was just a rough night. So I wanna make sure that I have a cup of tea this morning. I usually like drink a cup of tea in the morning, but lately for the past couple of weeks I haven't, and I feel like I just need to have a cup of tea this morning. So I'm about to go get up and have a shower and get ready to meet up with her. And I don't know if she's gonna want to be on the vlog. We'll see. I'll still walk with my camera. We'll see what happens. And let's get this day started. So y'all, I'm here with Denise. Quick glimpse. This is my homegirl, okay? Right now I'm at Eastside Mario's. Completely lost my appetite because, you know, the server, what did she say? We made her feel uncomfortable. What did she say? Yeah, she's like how we were rude and we made her feel uncomfortable. Guys, we literally sat here talking about life and baby shower stuff. This girl, we're sitting by the door and it's cold. It's wintertime in Canada. This girl put her jacket over her shoulder and the girl just started watching us. So we felt uncomfortable. And she's like going to her servers and like whispering shit. You can just tell because they all of them kept looking at us. You know, I'm gonna finish the story when I go home. So anyways, guys, I didn't get to finish my story because that place was just, I just felt so uncomfortable in that restaurant. But anyways, so we, well, I don't remember where I left off. But anyways, we ordered our food. We're there eating. We got there at like 1:15. And all this happened at about maybe like 1:50. So you already know that doesn't even consider like a whole half an hour since we've been eating, because by the time they bring out their little salad, their bread, and then you put your order in for your food, the food literally just came and we're there eating. This girl just comes up with 2 containers. Are you guys done eating? You got any containers? And then my friend's like, we're still eating. Like, you know when you go to a restaurant, it's like you're not gonna know if you're gonna need a container or not if you're not done eating. And to me, it's just like if I'm eating and you see me still eating because the fork's in my hand and you come at container and you ask me if I need a container, I'm gonna feel like you're rushing me to eat when I just got my food like 15 or 20 minutes ago. Like, it was just the worst experience in life. And not only that, so I guess my friend said to her, is something wrong? Because she kept looking at us like every time we're eating. She kept looking at us, and then she stepped to one of her coworkers and clearly made a little comment, and because the coworker looked up at us like, so obviously we felt uncomfortable, but we just ignored it. And she went up to the coworker and said, can you bill them out because we're giving her dirty looks. Guys, we literally went into the restaurant hungry. Who even have time to give dirty looks? Like, I was so confused, and we asked to speak to the manager, and of course she already went to the manager, but it's like, as a manager, when I already knew, once the manager said she already came to me, I just knew like the manager obviously took what she said. And I'm like, we're not rude people. I'm like, I'm still eating. I'm pregnant. The food just came not too long ago. Like, from my side, I'm like, look at it from my side. I'm still eating, the forks in my hand, and you come up to me, do you need a container? Like, it's like you're rushing me. I'm like, we just got our food. I don't understand. And I'm like, she's like, well, she felt uncomfortable and you guys made her feel uncomfortable and you guys were being rude. And I'm like, we're being rude? I'm like, the only thing she said was, is something wrong? Because I felt like ever since my friend put her jacket on, like, that's when you guys kept watching us. Like, we're not gonna dine and dash. I didn't say all that, but she's like, well, there's certain cues that we have to look out for, and we're always watching like around the restaurant. As you can see, in here is not really busy, so like all the attention is gonna kind of like be on your table. When she said that, I'm like, she's like, is there anything we can do? And I'm just like, honestly, it's okay. I lost my appetite. I'm like, it's okay. I was so disappointed because I was still stuck on the fact that she said we look for certain cues. I'm so disappointed. I'm like, there's certain stuff in life that I know that I'm gonna face, and I have to know how to deal with it. And I'm not pulling the race card. I don't want to put the skin color card. I don't want to pull that. But sometimes certain situation, it's almost like that is what it is. And it really sucks that like I have to sit here and felt like in my head I was sitting there, I'm like, is it because I'm black why she feels this way? Like, what are the odds of there's other people in the restaurant, but as soon as we come in, we're gonna come in and give you the hardest time. Like, I didn't wake up this morning and said I'm gonna go to a restaurant and give this waitress a hard time. Like, I would never do that. Like, that's not me. Shit just like completely threw my day off. Like, people are so messed up, and on top of that, we left her a tip. I was gonna be an asshole and not leave her a tip, but I'm just like, you know what, the devil's a liar, and I'm not making no one draw me out. But that was just a crazy experience. I still can't believe it. I'm still stuck on there's cues that we look out for. Crazy experience. Ugh, so over it. But anyways, I just got home, packed up my food. Look how full this is. Just so you know, I didn't even eat. I'm gonna warm it up and eat it. So disappointed, I swear.
Yeah, no. Almost Christmas now, on a day with. I know you guys haven't seen us for a while, but you know, me tell you now I go, I'm not gonna grow anything. You see me? My mama when I want like one vibe, just eat and when just in our liquor, you know. But we wraps up that and come again, don't? Cause you don't know, so that's how you think, you know. No one's life is perfect, though. But when I make you see how you hold for the argument them or whatever, you see. So anyway, we're there today. Pay a walk. I say go Christmas time. I say pay out make Polly here. You know? Polly said she get up from morning and she not feel so good. So I not put no camera up on her. You see me? Say her head at earth or something. But for me, all man send off a piece of food say he want his father to get it. So she both go up on the road and make the boss get one if you get for him Christmas down. See him can chump a little piece on it to see him speak. You don't know, you know. We're here for a family, don't it? Yeah. I show you how I go because we are going to vlog out the whole thing, you see it? I'm going to see where I go. I'm showing my grandfather still and I'm showing my father. And then you go see the whole link. You see it? Google, how I go on? How many say you get the plot of it, daddy? At today I get it? People them know say they are no. Up top. Yeah. So I touch upon the road, come back, link on up. Full charge. We out here. See my baby over there today. Yeah though. We have a little internet thing what we did still. So my father, this still my grandfather, you know? Sheppy #1. You see me? Yeah. I can give us a one link for Christmas same speed, is it? So, yeah. Eh? Yeah, man. So, what's your name?
Glasgow Crescent.
Glasgow?
Glasgow. Glasgow.
Glasgow. Na Sentan with the same, man. Na Sentan same, you know?
Yeah, man. About the cemetery.
Yeah, right, I symmetry. Enough of them people I know are going still.
Yes, near Marcus Garvey. And the hospital.
I see. So no pan next road down so the hospital.
Just down the south the cemetery.
Yeah, me pass the cemetery right there someone.
The cemetery then Marcus Garvey then the hospital.
Oh, seen. Yeah, so yeah.
I put it further. So I'm going to cartel. Don't know enough.
Nah, man. See him where? One of them must kick you away.
So what's that you're talking about this?
Where? Right now they start getting nervous, they start kicking you at you. Mama, I'll give you a bicycle, mama. Eh? Do you want of this? Eh? No, go on, daddy. See ya. Yeah. I want Maggie. Eh? I chop man. I this I know if you miss it done, you know. Yeah? Wait, top circle. What, Daddy? Yeah, no.
Don't know things, isn't it? But that mean, we say football up to the top.
You can't play none. Yo, you have to go do it, you know, Daddy.
I do it, man.
Yeah, man. Up top, man. Then I will score something for me, you know, cause you don't do it, you know.
I know some never left a pretty nice street, no.
Go, man. Just see what size you have, man. Yeah. Long neck boy. Oh boy, I can't score a goal, Daddy. I have to go do it, you know, man. Buckland.
You know, sir, it's a little night league thing and I represent, you know, sir, I get us up, man. You know what I mean? You don't know a stepper, steady, right? Just some kind of shy still, you have to work with it, you know what I mean?
You go down.
Catch up on the right there.
Yeah, you know what I mean, sir? I have no idea when you say you don't know, sir. You know, sir, man, officially, what's his style?
Yeah, no.
I don't know, sir. I'm looking at it, I don't know my signature already. Yeah.
Yo, I like your settings, dog. I swear. I like your settings. I like your settings. Eh? No, man, you don't see Kim over there, some of you. Oh, yeah, so Kim and a girl. Humbug, lad.
So guys, we are doing our final last minute Christmas shopping. It's my Aunt Sophie, Shireen.
Hi, I'm trying to get a cheap boot here.
So you guys know how Shauna's like naturally funny? Like it's a family thing, like literally.
It is. A punch like you smell like cat eye belly.
Doing last minute Christmas shopping.
I knew you were gonna.
Too bad I can't move too much.
Get your mommy. Come, come. She just wake up, yeah. Come, Shireen. This is $9. What's up?
Catch. Hey, hey. Oh, you found a jacket.
This is the one I always wanted, but I hate how it says thanks on it. But I'm still gonna.
Let me do this. I'm not doing that. I'm not spitting. Look, Lyra. Lyra. We did something different this year. We did like a family theme because, you know, everyone was kind of like down and not really into the Christmas spirit. So this year's theme was PJs. It was between PJs and ugly sweaters.
You want to know what our kitchen is like right now? We're trying to catch up on the style and catch up on the black cake. This is what our kitchen's like.
It's like a chaos. Come say hi, Sophie. This is my little cousin. Say hi. Show me your pajamas. Are Shauna extra? This is her pajamas. So cute. Nathania, come say hi. Hi. Show me your PJs. So this is their PJs. Wait, that's Snoopy. She got Trolls. I got Batman. My uncle's over there with the baby. Sophie, what's that dance? What's that dance? Yeah, 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 yeah. And then, you know, we got our cornmeal porridge for turn up in the morning time. We got baby fat and ting.
I don't know what they
Betty. Here
we got the sorrel.
rum well
And we got
settled.
another batch going right now. You see the steam?
My aunt's over here baking. After she made it seem like she was some big baker, but what happened?
Look up before
You too?
eat already.
What are you making again? Rum cake, right?
Rum cake.
You're making some rum cake.
I saw Jamaican people talk, they hear what they talk. Relate to see that you make carrots.
Yeah. The reason why we didn't get to do it is because we were on the road to do last minute Secret Santa shopping and Christmas shopping.
Yeah, because the devil tried to take away our Christmas and we have to do some last minute things. Yeah.
But yeah, my house is like crazy right now because we got baking, we got music, people are still like getting ready with the pajama. Huh?
Yeah, I was trying to race one in that movie.
Oh yeah, no, she was. Yeah, she was dancing. She's not camera shy at all.
That's why I can't find everywhere.
Take it, Virgo. Virgo's like, if you're happy and you know it. Virgo, you don't miss those days. You must be happy. All your kids are big now.
Of course.
Of course.
Except that one, the G's.
Mira, dance. Yeah. Mira's first Christmas be like. Mira, bust a dance now?
Dance, Minnie, dance. Yeah. Dance.
So guys, my aunt, this is my dad's sisters. What is that? Let's hear your belly. You guys see this? Why daddy's belly's so big, he blames on the food. Look, he's in the corner. Like they put him on punishment. He's sucking your belly? He's sucking it in. Okay, I'm also allowing you to hold it in. The bike? Oh yeah. Whatever. So it is the night before Christmas. It's Christmas Eve. You guys seen both of them actually when I did the funeral vlogs with my grandma. They're in there. They're in there. But we're just here preparing for tomorrow. We just had a big dinner. We had some stewed chicken, some pumpkin rice. Huh? Hold on. Fish. Then we had cabbage earlier. We had dumpling. Rodin. Big up my baby godmother. Yeah.
Dual godmother.
Dual godmother. Yeah. Both of them, yeah.
You should have the other first.
Shut up, Rodin's a real one. This one. What? You want to be what?
The Godfather.
You want to be the godfather? And you're the grandfather?
The two of them.
Anything.
The two of them.
You could be anything. As long as you change their diaper.
Alright.
Whoa.
I'll just be the grandfather then.
That is like, whoa. Keisha's edge is on fleek or not? Fleeky. Extra. She's so show off. Watch her.
Oh, John, six friends. Alright, need to go get.
She's so bossy.
We say, Shana, you're too enough, you know. Watch your show off. See you make trash. No trash. Not see one piece of trash. They don't want trash in there. No, I want to go crunch like it now.
Shanice, come show off your pajama. Oh yeah, so tonight we actually plan to, the whole family's wearing pajamas.
No!
I caught it. I did. I don't know if Keisha's head was in the way, but no. Let me see if I caught it.
So me have to tell mama be strong. Have faith in God. Me no know about man. Merry Christmas to everybody out there. I'm wishing you all the best. You know, give thanks.
Happy New Year, is it?
When it comes. We don't see Christmas, you know. So we have to give thanks, cause
Well, it not live to see Christmas.
you see me? But anyway, upon the Christmas day, we say we there do some little one thing. And me I do a little one thing, cause probably I do the same one thing, you know. So you don't know, look rice and peas. You know? So that's something over here, so. So we do a little one thing, you know? Some ham and some something man. Hold on, myself. Hold on, me have some baked chicken on there, so same speed of going. You know what I mean? So we are here doing only one vibe. Right now, I place lame up. Nothing I'm going in the place.
You still got chop out, man.
Yeah, see, laying flap out, but you know, we are do it. We have the vibes in our place, you know, so you don't know.
You tell us if you come feasting yesterday. You saw me yesterday for hug.
Yeah? Mama said it there.
It's some.
So one of my auntie them come and say, Pat. Auntie
She
Pat.
like you go back to road.
So this is my auntie Pat, you know?
Look up in the night, man.
Boarded up. Yeah, though.
And the vibes, you know, that one of vibes to your seat. That one can give you some nice style, you see? No vlog, then the vlog.
Like Christmas spirit, you know?
You can just make it stay over there, right?
Holy Christmas vibes, is it? So,
Make it done, Pat. Alright.
we pray. Yeah, now. Right now, Jano, we have to feel, we can't there just a dead up the things, you know, because right now, it's like, Polly, you know, say, me all of you want, I keep it in them, I carry them and them still, because I told me there, I do this, and you wake again, you can't sleep, though. Some of you know where you go over for my youth, Dante. You know? I still, I show you what I go on there a little bit, because I'm going to put out the sound and just make up some nice place and all that one vibe. You see me? Because I'm going to show you what I go on still. I'm going to show you what I go on. Because food ever they cooking or soup ever they cooking, I turn down the stove. Polly, what about rice?
Big pot down there so they run.
Talk to them now, Polly.
I'll get soup, you see? I'll
See.
get soup and some cook up pork.
So you know, say Polly that advice once I talk to the camera. You know what it said to Alright, chefs go!
Christmas time.
So like activate to grow out.
We're just getting prepared.